I will not be buying as much Cardano as I was before. A few months ago, I made a video titled, I am not buying any more Cardano, and people got very upset, understandably so. It was a bit of a clickbait title because if you watched that video, you would have realized it was very pro Cardano and the projects that are going to be built on top of Cardano. And a few videos after that, when I narrowed it down and said there's too many projects, so I will be focusing on the decentralized exchanges built on Cardano. And I still am focusing on decentralized exchanges, but I have a new main focus, and that is Cardano. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. When it comes to Cardano, I still will be focusing on decentralized exchanges, most notably SundaeSwap. For those of you that have been watching this channel, you'll know we spoke a lot about SundaeSwap. Unfortunately, they were not able to have the initial stake pool offering as planned, but I still am paying attention. But of course, with everything going on right now in the NFT space, my new focus in September of 2021 are Cardano NFTs. And something I need to clarify is that when it comes to NFTs and smaller altcoins, it still is a very small percentage of my portfolio. Most of my portfolio is still in Bitcoin. And the reason why is because I have a long-term portfolio and then I have a smaller trader's portfolio. My long-term portfolio is for crypto that I buy and hold no matter what. It goes up, I buy, it goes down, I hold, and I even buy more. Now, when it comes to trading, I do not want to be a trader. So I make sure to set aside a very small percentage of money that I'm okay losing, that I don't need in the short term. And that's where I put my money when it comes to NFTs. And in this case, these smaller projects that would be built on Cardano and these Cardano NFTs, because when it comes to smaller projects, I don't need to risk as much. When I deal with these bigger blue chip cryptocurrencies, there's a higher probability they will do well over the next 10, 20 years. And I may, 2x my money, 5x, maybe 10x my money. But when it comes to these smaller, higher risk projects, I may be able to 20x my money or 30x my money. So I don't need to put that much at risk. I can put a small amount and it goes a long way. Now, when it comes to Cardano NFTs, I have been speaking about them in previous videos, but I have not gone deep personally into the space yet. And the reason is because the ecosystem is still being built up. When it comes to NFT buying, I like to have all of the data and all of the metrics, similar to what we have with Ethereum, but we don't have it yet with Cardano. Cardano NFTs are able to be built or created without smart contracts. However, without smart contracts, the marketplaces, the metrics are very limited, very basic, but it will be here very soon. September 12th is the planned date for smart contracts. So on September 12th, there is a planned hard fork. Hard forks are not always a guarantee. Sometimes there's a problem and they are delayed, but September 12th is the proposed date for smart contracts. And hopefully on the same day, we see projects deploy their own smart contracts on Cardano, September 12th, hopefully at least by September 13th. If we see that projects aren't deploying their contracts until, 2-3 weeks later, people are going to be very upset. And right now, there is a big narrative in the crypto space, in the NFT space, that Ethereum has such high gas fees that Ethereum will die off. And I believe, in my opinion, that this is a false narrative. I believe that Ethereum can win, and Cardano can win, and Solana can win all at the same time, and they will be used for different purposes or for different people. When it comes to Ethereum, big money has no problem whatsoever spending $300, $400, $500 on a gas fee. So worst case, I can see a situation where the smaller mid-tier projects fade away and retail investors shift to Solana and Cardano. I do think that will happen. Retail will shift to Solana and Cardano. And when it comes to Ethereum, like I said, big money has no problem. We saw this year that Christie's auction house auctioned off CryptoPunks. And right now, as I make this video, Sotheby's is auctioning off Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. These are two of the top auction houses in the world. We also saw recently that Visa bought a CryptoPunk built on top of Ethereum. So Ethereum will stay, but I also believe that Cardano will win and Solana will win. Right now, we have seen most of the shift happening on Solana. We are seeing retail buyers entering the Solana ecosystem, most notably Solana Art. It is still a pretty basic limited exchange, but it still is early days. It's in beta. It will improve. And as I make this video, there's a marketplace called solc.io that is set to launch today. It's been frozen here on T 9 minutes and holding pretty much the whole day. I thought this would launch by the time I make this video. This is a marketplace where apparently users will be able to mint NFTs and also sell their own NFTs. Now, when it comes to Cardano, the leader right now, the leading marketplace is cNFT.io. And as I make this video right now, you'll notice that it is under maintenance due to huge growth. We're performing a database upgrade. This looks like it will be the place people will be trading Cardano NFTs. So I am focused on Cardano NFTs. And just like I was saving up money for the Cardano decentralized exchanges, I am doing the same thing here with Cardano NFTs. I am paying attention. I am prepared, but I am waiting for smart contracts and for more advanced marketplaces and more advanced features. And often I'm asked the question, Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ethereum or Cardano, Cardano or Solana? And my answer is all of them. I know it's crazy to hear it, but you can like more than one cryptocurrency at a time. And coming back to Ethereum, like I said, I think Ethereum will win along with Cardano, along with Solana. And Cardano was able to reach number 3 in market cap, even though they don't have smart contracts. The reason is because people were anticipating smart contracts. So when we look at Ethereum, we know right now it is pretty much broken. These fees are so high. But just like people anticipated smart contracts, when it comes to Ethereum, everyone is anticipating Ethereum 2.0. So I believe as long as Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum will go up, Solana will go up, and Cardano will go up. And if Bitcoin goes down, the rest of these cryptocurrencies will follow. So I will be participating in all of them. And I'm not just going to make a video and give you this general information. Of course, I'm going to make a video and put you guys in the right direction on the correct path. So I have a few videos for you guys down below in the comments. If you want to get started with Solana and Cardano NFTs, the first video is how to find upcoming drops for Cardano and Solana. The second video is how to check the rarity of a Cardano or Solana NFT. And the third video is how to create a Solana NFT wallet. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are getting excited. I'm getting excited, but I'm trying to keep it down, right? That's probably one of the worst things in crypto is when you get a little too emotional, too excited. And I've been pretty good with it over the last year. But right now, it's really hard. I am getting very happy and excited in this space, and I really need to kind of relax myself. So we'll see how this goes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.